Good morning, Barton RV and family. We are out here in the backyard to get an update on our watermelon project started by Sock Monkey from the KMAC project. What we're going to check right now is the biggest one I believe I got back here. So let's see, where is it at? Let me flip the camera too. So somewhere in this jungle is the largest watermelon. And we looked at this watermelon 2 weeks ago. And now we're gonna do the tail of the tape, guys. So I got the tape measure right here. And let's see if I can, let me find a good angle where I could put this. See if I could get it in there. Okay. So, looks like it's around 16 inches long. I guess I'm trying to measure from like navel to navel, I guess you could call that, to where like on the one side you have that little navel and on the other side where the vine connects to it. So that's how I'm going to measure it from the length. So that's 16 inches. And let me look at the width. The width is a little harder because I have to lift up this watermelon. I don't really want to lift it up. I hope I don't break it. It's kind of heavy. Okay. I think I got it. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Let's see. Is this inches? I think it's all inches, huh? Okay. So it's gonna be almost 28 inches, guys. This is the width. Let's see, I can kind of show you what I'm looking at right here. So there you go. So this is what I've been trying to measure right here. So it's close to 28 inches. Well, maybe less. Maybe we'll go 27 and a half. So that one's 27 and a half. And I believe that's pretty much the biggest one right there. So everything's going to be smaller than that one. And also, now that I'm here, I chatted with Rowdy. He said, how do you know? I asked him, how do you know when to pick them? And he said, when the little curly vine turns brown, that's when you could pick them. And I think this is a curly vine right here. It's kind of hard to see because it's buried, but I'm thinking that's it right there. And it's turning brown, so it's not shriveled up brown yet, but it's getting there. So that's going to be the biggest one right there. And I haven't been getting any new little ones except maybe this one down here. Where'd it go? See, that's probably the newest little one right here. So I'm thinking they're all stopping. They're all trying to get the big ones to grow. I guess all the nutrients are going to the bigger ones. And you got two right here. So you got two there. And then altogether there's 11 in here. I think there's one somewhere around here. Let's see where, there he is. There's one right there. I hope I'm getting them. I can't really see them. It's just reflecting. The sun's reflecting on my screen. There's one right here. There's another one right next to it. And so that's 3. So that's just 3 right here. There's 2 over there, 4, 5. That big one, 6, 7. That little one that's just forming. And, let's see. And then, oh, here's another little one that's just forming. So that's 8. There's one right there, 9. And there's one in here somewhere. Ooh, it moved. Oh, I put a little finger. 9. This one doesn't look too good, but it's still growing. Let's see, there it is. It's hard to. This one might not make it. I'm not sure. It doesn't look too good. But that's my biggest one right there, guys. Let me see if I can get out of it. Man, it's so hard to film this because I can't even see the screen. Let me see. I hope I'm getting this. Let me see. The only way I can see it is if I touch it. There it goes. So that's the biggest one right there. Okay, guys. And it is a jungle back here. There could be some in there that I can't really see. And I can't really get in there and pull weeds either. Because I think I tried to pull some weeds one time. And all these vines are tangled with the weeds. So you kind of risk the problem of actually ripping out some of the watermelons vines if you pull on the weeds. And actually I had to see all that bare spot right there on the ground. I had to go in there and tear up all this. This used to be vines here because I couldn't get to the water point anymore. And speaking of water point, I'm going to water this some more. And then we're going to go to Hondo and check how Hondo is doing. Hondo doesn't have that as much as this because I'm not there watering it, and I think I planted it a couple days later too, but I'm just not caring for it enough. Yeah, and that's a jungle from back here. Okay guys, let's go to Hondo and see how that's doing. Hello guys, I made it to Hondo now. It's still the same day, so you're getting the watermelon update on the same day, and the day is June 13th, Saturday, and this will come out June 14th, I believe. So it's only 1 day old. So let me find the biggest one in Hondo. Like I said, it's going to be a lot smaller, and I'm sorry about the wind. I forgot my mics. That's what happens when you have 2 locations, you forget stuff. So let me turn this around. Okay, there's only 3 watermelons that are I'd call viable or probable or for sure, and this is probably the biggest one right here. So let me see if I can put this down and try to videotape it here. So the length is going to be from the stem to the other navel part is about 15. Huh. I must have measured the other one wrong because this doesn't look. I don't think I measured the other one right because this is at 15. That other one's probably a lot more. I'll have to remeasure it one day. And the width, I hope you guys could hear this. The width is gonna be, let's see, 23, 22. So it's a lot smaller. Let me see if I could so you could actually see it. So I got some proof. So that one's right here. It's probably more like 22. I'll have to get it tighter. But yeah, I'm gonna say it's 22. And there's one right there, and then there's another one about the same size right here, and there's this one back here that's a little smaller. So those are the 3 good ones that I have. But there's quite a few small ones all around here. Like, see, there's one right there. I don't know if that's gonna make it. It gotta be a lot bigger before you could say that's a watermelon. I think there was one right here too somewhere. Yeah, a little bitty one right there. Okay, and then there's another one right here. So I have to wait and see how those goes. Huh. That one in Uvalde seems a lot huger than this one, but they're almost the same size. I must have measured them wrong or something. But anyways, the one in Uvalde is about ready to go, and these 2 are smaller, not getting enough water, but they're still going to make it. Those 3 are going to make it. So thank you for watching the watermelon update, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you guys. Bye.